Hello everyone, welcome to GB Ready Automation World. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe to it to enable notification for more interesting videos. Right, today's topic is how to debug Java streams. Right, streams are introduced in Java 8. Right, but how to debug? It is a little complex to debug the streams. Right, if it is a normal for loop, right, we can easily debug it, but while using the streams it is very difficult to debug. Right, suppose I have written a right here one list I have taken. Right, now this list what I am doing is just filtering the names which are greater than 3. Right, which are characters are greater than 3. Right, I will keep otherwise 5, so that right we will get only few, right, which are greater than 5. Then to uppercase I am converting whichever is output is right filtered, I am converting to uppercase, and then collect to again list. I am collecting again to list. Now suppose whether filter is working or not correctly, there is some issue was coming. Right, output was now not properly printing. Now how we will know whether filter is not working or map is not working? Which statement is not working? Right, if we use normal for loop and we can easily able to find out, but in streams it is very difficult. Right, suppose if you debug, right, just let me debug. I am using IntelliJ IDEA. Right, suppose right now if we see suppose after filter, right, how to find out? Right, here I am unable to see. Suppose if you try to, right, if you try to do anything, it will not work out here. Right, inline watch or to watch. Right here, right, we cannot see compilation. Right, we are getting compilation statement not found. Right, these are all we cannot inspect these things whether it is correctly coming or not, which statement is not working. Right, it is very difficult. Then how to debug this type of right, when you are using a streams concept? Right, there are two ways. One is we can use the peak. There is a peak method is there. By using peak method, we can, what we can do is just a peak means what it will do, it will return the stream consisting of elements of the stream, additionally performing the provided action on each element as the consume. Just it will show, right, it will not do anything, it will not do any action on any it, just it will right show the what the before right after filter. Before filter I have written peak statement, just I am printing, and after filter just I am printing after filter. What is that? After map, that means it will show what is happening each statement. Right, we can write a dot peak and then we can add the statement. You can, if you are using loggers means you can add the loggers, or just to practice System.out.println. So it will show us what is happening on the each element. Right, let me show you that. Let me run it. Right, okay, let me just run it. Right, okay, open the terminal. Right, if you see what is happening, first it will taking hurry. Right, before starting, this is before filter. After filter, right, then again it is not coming into filter condition is failed because we are verifying for greater than 5. Right, length is greater than 5. So first statement only it is right, second statement it will not come. Right, Raju also will not come. Rajesh before filter, after filter also it came. Rajesh is coming after filter, and then map. Right, it is changed to uppercase. It is changed to uppercase. Similarly, Gopal, right, it is not coming. Murthy, not coming. Rajesh. Only Rajesh is the final because it is the greater than 5, right? It is only coming. Suppose we will keep it as a greater than 4. Right? If we keep it greater than 4, how many we are expecting? 2. Rajesh and Murthy. Now, right, by using peak method, we can see the content, right? We can add the loggers or System.out.println, right? We can see what is happening in the stream. That is one way. But if we have a longer, right, suppose you have 1,000 elements, right, if you want to verify one by one, right, it is very difficult, right, it is very difficult to find out what is happening, right. Here greater than 4 means 3 are coming, Gopal, Rajesh, Gopal, Mut, right. Fine, then one more way, easy, one more, right, easy way, if we are using IntelliJ. If you are using IntelliJ IDEA, one is peak. By using the peak method, we can add the statements. These are all like say loggers only. Right. Then one more is we can install some plugin. Right. Right. Go to file. If we are using IntelliJ, go to file, settings, IntelliJ. If we are using old version, we have to install. If we are using latest version, it's already installed. Java Stream Debugger. Suppose if we go to marketplace, stream debug. If we are unable to see here, that means it is already installed. If we are able to see means just click on the install it. If we are unable to see, just go to installed. It's already in the latest versions of IntelliJ. It is already installed. Java Stream Debug. Right, just install. Right, it is already installed. So what we have to do? Keep the debug at the starting point. Right, this is the stream starting point. Keep the debug point here. Right, in the run in the debug mode, right, run in the debug mode. Okay, now here you can observe there is a 3 hyphen symbols are there, 3, right. It will enable only if you install that Java Stream Debugger. Right, it will show, it will enable, just click on it, right, in the debug mode, just click on this, right, it will show, right, what we have written here, stream, right, what we have written, names, peak, filter, peak, map, peak, collect. It will show all the stream objects, right. First we have these are all. Next, peak means as it is it will come, just to display, right, peak is. Then filter what we are doing, greater than 4 we are filtering, right. We can see here, okay, only 4 are coming, correctly coming. Now peak is just to display, we can ignore it. Then map, we are mapping to changing to uppercase, right, we can see here whether correctly coming on. Then collect, we are collecting to list again, right, right, like this we can click on the each right, stream object, we can verify whether from the previous step to next step it is coming properly or not, right. Like this way we can easily identify whether this stream is working perfectly or not, right. Like this we can debug easily in the IntelliJ IDEA. Okay, fine, that's it. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel, enable notification, please refer to your friends, please if you like the video, please share to your friends, right, like the video. Thanks for watching.